Secret hack. How to delete collections from your credit reports for free. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you the ultimate secret hack to delete collections and charge-offs from your credit reports completely free. This is one of the most important videos you'll ever watch if you have bad credit and are tired of seeing your score stuck because of collections or charge-offs. These negative items can drag your score down by 60 to 120 points and can feel like a ball and chain on your financial progress. But today, we're going to change that. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process using the factual dispute method, a powerful old-school tactic that is still one of the best ways to attack these negative items on your credit report. Plus, I'll cover how to negotiate a pay to delete if you're thinking about paying off a collection. And if the credit bureaus give you trouble, I'll show you how to escalate your dispute to the next level. Stick around until the end because I'll also introduce a game-changing software that's helping thousands of people boost their scores effortlessly. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Understanding the problem. Collections and charge-offs can hurt your credit score in a major way. Even if you pay them off, they can still hold your score back because the status remains on your report. The key is to get them deleted, not just marked as paid. Before you pay anything, always negotiate a pay to delete agreement in writing to ensure the negative mark gets removed. If you've already paid, don't worry, I've got strategies for that too. Step 2. The factual dispute method. Here's the core of today's strategy, the factual dispute method. This is all about attacking the inaccuracies on your credit report. You'd be surprised how many errors exist, especially with third-party collectors like Midland Credit, LVNV Funding, or Portfolio Recovery. They often report balances incorrectly, or they don't update statuses as they should. We're going to use that to our advantage. To start, grab your credit reports from Annual Credit Report.com. Highlight the collection or charge-off you want to dispute, and gather your proof. You'll need to send a customized dispute letter with all the details clearly outlined. Here's what it should look like. This is a direct, factual dispute letter. No need for complicated legal jargon, just clear, precise facts. Get your letter notarized and send it certified mail to ensure it's taken seriously. This approach works because you're showing proof that the information isn't correct. Step 3. Filing a complaint with the CFPB. If your dispute doesn't work after a couple of rounds, it's time to file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB. But don't send the dispute directly to them, they're not the credit bureaus. Instead, they're there to enforce compliance and ensure your consumer rights are protected. Introducing Dispute Beast now. If all of this sounds like a lot of work, don't worry, I have a solution for you. Dispute Beast is the most advanced credit repair software out there. It automates everything for you, creating powerful dispute letters and managing the entire process. We've seen people raise their scores by over 190 points in just one round. If you're serious about fixing your credit, you need to check this out. These are real results from real users who are taking control of their credit with Dispute Beast. If your credit score starts with a 4, 5, or 6, it's time to get started. I hope you found this video helpful. We covered a lot, from how to delete collections and charge-offs to filing complaints and leveraging powerful tools like Dispute Beast. If you're ready to take action, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment Dispute Beast below to get started. And don't miss the next video where I dive into more advanced tactics for deleting charge-offs. Thanks for watching, and let's get that credit score up.